Undertale!
Yep, that's what we're doing today.
Yes, of course.
More Undertale.
Undertale. Okay, so, if you saw from the last episode...
And if you haven't, go watch it.
Well...
I don't know.
Things are about to go down.
Sans.
Sans is back. Sans is back.
I feel like Sans is following us. I'm thinking about getting into the telescope business.
The telescope business.
It's normally
50,000.
50,000 G. I'm so slow to use this premium telescope.
Premium telescope.
But since I know you can use it for free.
Oh, thank you.
How's about it?
How's about it?
Yeah.
Yes, I'll... It's like James Bond. What is this?
Nothing.
Oh, mouse on the screen.
E.
Oh no! Oh no!
Sans.
You did the thing. Oh, you silly man. That's not even the same color as the thing. Oh, whatever.
I love it.
What is this?
I love it. Oh my gosh. Just go to it.
It's kind of disturbing.
So cute.
It's kind of
That's what I want to play.
It's like a drop of milk.
What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you eat it? Can you chew it? Are you a star?
I'm a star, all right. I'm a. Okay. You're weird. I like. It did like a little dance when he. Why are you? What are you doing?
What?
No. None of that. Okay.
No.
Oh, I guess the ink on her eye is gone. Oh, it's this guy again.
Oh, read the sign
The
first.
sign. The ancient glyphs have been painted over with a list of 21 different flavors. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, Mr. Man. I relocated my store, but there's still no customers. Fortunately, I've thought of a solution. Punch cards! Every time you buy an ice cream, you can take a punch card from the box. If you have 3 cards, you can trade them for a free ice cream. It's kind of like the milk thing we do.
Yeah, that's what I thought of.
They're sure to get the customers to come back.
Yeah,
Ice cream! It's the frozen
get
treat.
Like 2 because we don't have a lot of health.
Now just 25?
Get 2.
That's more expensive than it was before, wasn't it?
But still, we need it. We have.
I know we have a lot of gold, but I have a feeling
But
what about armor and stuff? I'll buy 1.
Oh, okay. It's per 2, right?
25. Super duper scuba duper! Your card's in the box. Oh. Box contains 1 cards. Take a card.
No, take it.
Maybe I should leave it in case there's another box, you know. There's multiple boxes.
No,
and the same
take
thing.
it.
Fine, I'll take a card. A punch card. Take the punch card. And off we go. Past the weird milk drop. Those trees are very strange.
My favorite character's coming.
It is?
Yeah.
Well, then I'm going this way because
that where
you're
it is?
weird and I don't know who your favorite character.
I
Apparently
cosplayed.
this. Oh. Shh. Don't.
I didn't say it.
Okay.
Only you.
You hear a passing conversation. So, don't you have any wishes to make? Oh, this is gonna be like a whole story, isn't it?
I don't feel like finding it. Just one, but it's kind of stupid.
Yeah, I don't want to get into.
I
don't want to get into the
You're gonna have to,
cheese. Oh.
Ring, ring.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
This is Papyrus. Remember when I asked you about clothes? Well, the friend who wanted to know, her opinion of you is very murdery. Well, thanks for telling us that. Well, worry not, dear human. Papyrus would never betray you. You said you were not wearing a gross bandage. So, of course, I actually told her you weren't. I didn't know we were wearing a bandage. It pained me to tell such a bold-faced lie, but since you aren't wearing a gross bandage...
Take it off!
She surely won't attack you! Now you're safe and sound! Wowie! This is hard! I just want to be everybody's friend!
Take it off!
Take it off!
Take it off! Take it off! Press it's used.
I can't. I can't do it! Ah!
Well,
I need something else.
well, never mind then. We're just gonna...
Oh, no. Well, we don't have to tough glove anymore.
We should have been truthful. If we trusted him.
I didn't know he had a bandage.
Oh, I made
Oh.
you. Just mercy. Doesn't they let you mercy?
Maybe?
Act. Oh, yeah.
What's the point? I could just do this. Ha! It's so... Okay, 0 gold.
Yeah.
What's the point? It's almost as if they...
What's the...
What's the point? What is... Whoa. That's...
Nice.
This is a very...
Ooh, bubbles!
Bubbles.
Bubbles!
Oh, yeah, the conversation.
Bubbles!
Don't say that. I promise I won't laugh. Yeah, well.
Bubbles.
Bubble... What are you even saying?
Markiplier.
Oh.
Bubbles.
Oh, that video?
Yeah.
Oh, man. Power to take their souls. This is the power that the humans feared. Huh. Are we going the right way? We're in like a maze. Ah! What is that? I can't move. It's an anime!
I love it.
Ah, it's my worst fear.
Hey, Bear.
No.
Noticed you were...
here. Nah, it's just Flowey again. I'm
Onion-san. I'm Onion-san. Here?
Onion-san, you here? Okay, bye. Goodbye now.
Awesome.
Goodbye.
You're visiting Waterfall, huh? It's great here, huh? You love it, huh? Yeah, me too. It's my big favorite.
Okay, bye.
Even though the water's getting so shallow here. I have to sit down all the time, but... Hey! That's okay. It beats me moving to the city and living in a crowded aquarium.
What are you?
Like all my friends did.
Okay, bye. Are you an onion or an octopus?
And the aquarium's full. Anyway, so even if I wanted to...
I don't...
That's okay, though. You hear? Undyne's gonna fix everything. You hear?
I doubt that.
I'm gonna get out of here and live in the ocean. You hear?
I don't like you.
Hey there. This is the end of the road. I'll see you around. Have a good time.
Waterfall! I didn't like that at all.
I liked it.
It was weird and annoying. Oh! Not it.
Ew.
Oh. Shiren hides in the corner, but
Mercy.
somehow encounters you anyway.
Oh, no.
I can't miss. Smile? Smile. That's to see Shiren smile too. He gets quieter in the corner. Aaron nods his head approvingly. Hum hum!
You should hum.
I'm scared. Just taps a little bit.
Hum.
Okay. Okay. You're,
Sorry.
No, it's Sire.
Right.
Die! What was
I
that?
should have been able to...
Must be comfortable singing along. Does that mean...
Yeah.
You did it. And we only got hit once.
See me.
Yes, you know how to sing.
Me?
Yeah.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. The northern room hides a great treasure. A piano! That is a great treasure.
Piano!
The science show. Piano. Bonk. A haunting song echoes down the corridor. Won't you play along? Only the first 8 are fine? Only the first 8 episodes of this? The 9th is gonna be hard.
Maybe go over it.
Okay.
Listen to if there's a song.
I don't hear a song.
Next room.
I pushed S. Its power has no counter. Indeed, a human cannot take a monster's soul. When a monster dies, its soul disappears. Incredible power would be needed to take the soul of a living monster.
Ooh.
There is only one exception. The soul of a special species of monster called a boss monster. A boss monster's soul is strong enough to persist after death, if only for a few moments. Human could absorb this soul, but this has never happened. Now it never will. Ooh.
Maybe. Wait.
Hello? Are you
Is there a tune?
Are you... It's a statue. Structures as facing dry.
Aw, poor thing. It's raining.
Okay.
Give it an umbrella!
An umbrella! Please take one.
Give it to the statue so it doesn't get rained on.
Okay. Take one. Do not take an umbrella.
Bring it to him.
It's a parasol. Okay, I'll give it to him.
Yes.
Why is it just raining directly on him?
Oh,
it's a song. It's a music. Inside the statue, a music box begins to play. Da, 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 da. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't know. Ba 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 ba. That must be the song they're talking about, surely. So, wait. There's a piano. Yeah.
Listen to the sound.
I'm.
Actually, click the key.
Oh.
Yeah. No,
But
dun 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 dun.
oh, it worked. That's great. Ha, that's fun. Kind of. Took me. Okay. That's a treasure. It's an orb. It's a legendary artifact.
Heck yes.
Is this gonna be Indiana Jones? Am I gonna have to switch it with a bag and then the rock's gonna come down? You're carrying too many dogs?
Wait, go in inventory.
Hey? Annoying dog! Hey!
Drop.
What if I use it?
I don't know.
You deployed the dog. Ah! No, 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 no! The dog absorbs the artifact! Oh! Okay. The artifact is gone.
The dog deserved it.
What does the sign say?
The artifact is gone.
Welp. That was pointless.
Useless.
Why? When did that dog become part of... Dog residue?
What does that even mean? I don't know.
Oh, wait! Is it poo?
Ugh.
Is it dog crap? Oh, such a lovely song. I guess I'll take another umbrella.
For you?
Yeah.
For you?
Although, oh, the same color? Come on. I want a blue umbrella.
Good thing you took it.
Yay. What is... Those are puddles of darkness. Oh, it's him again.
Yo! You got an umbrella?
Oh, you know I do.
Awesome.
Oh.
Let's go!
Is he just waiting because he doesn't have any arms to hold it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
It's so sad.
Oh, poor lad.
It's not even under the umbrella.
Is he wearing a shirt or is that just his body?
Shirt. Man, Undyne is so cool. She beats the bad guys and never loses.
Great. That's good for me.
If I was a human, I would wet the bed every night.
Do you even...
Knowing she was gonna beat me up.
Do you know, in fact, that we are that?
No.
Human, does he know that? Uh-oh. That makes me worried, because it...
So one time, we had a school project where I had to take care of a flower. The king, we had to call him Mr. Dreamer, volunteered to donate his own flowers.
His own flowers.
He ended up coming to school teaching class about responsibility and stuff. That got me thinking, yo, how cool would it be if Undyne came to school? She could beat up all the teachers.
I like how, you know, the king came to school, but who cares? It's just,
Maybe she wouldn't beat up the teachers. She's too cool to ever hurt an innocent person.
We're innocent person, maybe that's good.
We're innocent person.
Whoa.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Wow, that's pretty, but how does that work? Why, is it just floating in the distance?
No, it's just...
That was beautiful. Oh, more umbrellas. See there?
I think you have to put it away. Yo, this sledge is way too steep.
Yeah, it's literally, it's 90 degrees.
Yo, you want to see Undyne, right?
No, but I have to go to the right.
Put up your umbrella and climb on my shoulder.
Okay. Good thing there's another bin. Return the umbrella? Yes.
What is that?
I returned the umbrella. Boop. Boop-a-doop. Yeah, that was good.
Yo, you go on ahead. Don't worry about me. I always find a way to get through.
Yeah, yeah, I noticed
Thanks,
that.
Monster
Like,
Kid.
you were over there, and then you were over there, and... Oh, no. It's too early to end the episode here.
But we have to.
But we have to. The humans, afraid of our power, declared war on us. They attack suddenly and without mercy. So, whoa. Oh, it gets lighter.
Well, is this the end of the episode then?
No!
Oh.
In the end, it could hardly be called a war. United, the humans were too powerful and us monsters too weak. Not a single soul was taken, and countless monsters were turned to dust. Wow. That's pretty crazy. The serene sound, no, of a distant music box, it fills you with determination.
Dun, 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 dun.
It's quiet. It's... No, not again! She's gonna come behind me! She's gonna... It's so tense!
Go!
No!
Why'd you stop? Oh.
No!
Wow.
No. What did...
Run!
Deep, tap, deep, bada boop, bada bing, bada boom. Holy crappity doo! What kind of magic sorcery is this? I'm scared. I'm scared. I ain't seeing this, man. Where am I? No. Where do I go? Please. Go. That thing! That's impossible! Where do I go? How do I not get hit? I'm gonna die! I'm going to die! Shut up! You don't have to rub it in! Please me! Whoa, yeah! Like I please you! It's getting faster now! Last night I said these words to my love!
Go!
Didn't! No more! Please! I already passed the screen! This isn't fair. Suddenly... I don't know why I'm singing this song. Oh! We're perfectly in sync. Oh, just let me.
Don't go forward.
Where do I go?
Go back.
She's gone. Oh no. I'm gonna die. I'm down to my last health bar. No. No! I slowly tilt to the right. What? It sounds like it came from over here. Oh! You've fallen down, haven't you? Yes, I have recently. Are you okay? Here, get up. Kara, huh? That's a nice name. No, Alfred! Alfred! His name's Alfred, not Kara. Alfred. My name is... What? I like the way I got up.
Mr. Dreamer.
Mr. Dream. What? Oh. Nice mirrored pieces of television. Piles of garbage, quite a few... What do you say? Quite a few brands you recognize. Ah, yes, I see. Nintendo Swatch. That... I kind of want to end it here, but nothing really happened. Okay, it's
Undyne things happen.
yeah, that was intense. Honestly, again. Wait, occasionally a piece of trash will flow through, fall into the bottomless abyss below. Oh, well, viewing this endless cycle of worthless garbage, it reminds me of my life. Fills you with determination. And there it is.
But
Right! That's it. We're in the trash where we belong. And what are you doing?
throwing away something.
Okay. That was crazy. My heart is racing completely. That was... Is there more trash? Quite a few brands you recognize? Yeah. That was intense. Like, wow. She was chasing us with the spears and we almost died again, but heck, we've gone 2 episodes without dying, so that's the best we've done so far.
Do ASMR.
No. 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 Okay. We gotta end the
Bye.
episode before she goes mad. No.